Hey guys, Jimmy here for part 2. That's Joey Graceffa. Oh. I hate how it shoots. Right click. Someone's here. Yes, this is this room of death. I think that's what it is. If it isn't, then I don't know. Then leave in the comments if it's death or not. So I seriously do not know. Here's this place where I did kill him. Oh, come on, I'm losing. He's still here. Oop, this is a different one.
Turn it off.
Yes, I won. Oh,